shit, my ears muffled as fuck, dude. Yeah, like we were playing rap and that bass was hitting, you can't roll that window up. It'll blow my hatch open.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Are you alright? But rock music is different. They don't have the same, like, they don't push air a lot louder, like highs.
It's time for fingers, so stealing, I don't want them. We got weed, bring the switches, so break them down and roll them most. It's time for fingers, so stealing, I don't want them. We got weed,
You know what I
bring the
mean? It's the
switches, so
bass,
break them down and roll them
the
most.
highs. Right flag like a motherfucker. I'll just write it. I don't know the rights to this shit. Duh.
Want money, cars, life's cold. Anything, anybody could ever want. All eyes on me, so cold. Feel the spotlight when I walk through the door.
Yeah.
Pretty girl,
Yeah.
living fast.
Yeah.
Everybody watching, waiting for me to crash. Drive right through the wall. Sky won't be the ball.
Who's better?
Sky won't be the ball. I done been through it all. I done been through it all. I done been through it all.
Ready for it? Here it comes.
Sky won't be the ball. Life's cold. Anything, anybody could ever want. All eyes on me, so cold. Feel the spotlight when I walk through the door. Life's cold. Anything, anybody could ever want. All eyes on me, so cold. Feel the spotlight when I walk through the door.
Makes me smile like I'm a fucking Grinch, dude. Like I just killed Batman.
Yeah, just like the whole time I've got like at least.
Oh shit, here we go. One time for the hustlers.
Okay.
That's all we need, baby. One for the hustlers. Here, let's get them. Let's turn the bass on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
All right, let's do it.
because it's not really on.
Okay.
Now the bass is on.
All right.
Let it kick in here.
Here's the real shit.
Yeah. Has two RCAs for it. Left and a right channel. Boom, boom. This is different though. This shit's gotta be like, hear me a mile away before they pull you over. This is white folk music. You can play this shit. Still knocking. If I put on E40 and drive through here, we can set their alarms off. Let me see if I can find it. You up for that, Chris?
On the way out.
On the way out?
Pills, heroin.
This is disrespectful.
It is.
It is,
It's
really.
Incredibly.
That's on 1. If I turn it down any more than that, it goes off. Watch.
I believe you.
It's off.
Yeah.
So at least I turned it down.
You did.
I did turn it down when I pulled up. Considerably. Like 32 fucking points.
32 fucking.
So they can't say turn it down. I already did.
They'd be telling you to turn it off.
Yeah.
That's against the Constitution. You have rights.
Yeah, you can't really tell me to turn it off. Can they?
Do you have more cigarettes?
Yeah.
I just see the 4.
You can't talk about cigarettes, drugs, or alcohol on my channel, Chris. We're live. Cigarettes are bad. Nobody smokes
Just put a
cigarettes.
warning up. No pussies.
No. Because we like that. But we don't like alcohol, tobacco, or drugs. Those
So
are
no
bad.
tobacco for sure.
Yeah. Not on the channel.
Okay. We're definitely not doing any of those things at all.
That's right. Because all
We
that
would
stuff's
never.
bad.
We would never.
Ever.
I'm a naive boy. I know nothing about drugs or alcohol or tobacco.
You know they're bad. That's all you need to know.
Drugs are bad, okay?
Stay away.
Yeah. Just say
Tobacco
nope
and
to
alcohol
dope.
too. Listen to Nancy Reagan. She wasn't wrong.
What did she say?
Say no to just say no. What, you don't know the just say no slogan? It's Nancy Reagan, dude. Oh, sorry, wrong button. Yeah, that's Nancy Reagan. I think she was a Republican, but I think
She's probably
I think Nancy Reagan killed the guy with her car.
with her. Oh, for real?
I think so.
Is that like an actual, like, factual, Google it and prove it kind of thing?
I don't know. You might be able to, but I think it's a true fact.
Well, let me see what I can do.
Yeah,
Let me see what I can jam me up real quick.
I think it was Nancy Reagan. I think it was before he was president. I don't think it was during the presidency. But Ronald Reagan is from Compton, California. Like, you know. From Compton. I think so is George W. Bush.
He's from Bompton?
Bompton. And I think they might actually be from the west side. I mean, like east side, Long Beach and that sort, I think. So, yeah.
What was
they're-
I Googling it? Oh, yeah,
they're
Nancy
from
Reagan.
Bompton. Killed the guy. That's a lot of bass.
That's a lot of bass. It gets to be a little much, but I definitely don't want to ask you to turn it off. Because it's so good.
That's 20. Alright, we might see. That'll be the song that we want to do it with. But I gotta get the windows right. It's bad.
Just take them out.
What, the
They
windows?
can't break if they're not in.
Well, yeah, but you know, you can't say dry when it
Just
rains
have like
either.
rig it up so you can take your doors off like a fucking Jeep. No joke, do that.
Watch the F word. Jeez, Chris.
Sorry, man.
There's-
I no joke forget that.
I
this
should
is-
hang like
Why are we still live streaming?
I don't know.
forget that it's
I don't
even
know,
there.
but I should have hang like a checklist here, or just make it the background on this. So that way it's the background and it's got the checklist on it, like it's a picture, you know. Oh, show. I
Was it
forget
Nancy
sometimes
who?
too.
Reagan?
I think so. Maybe it's Nancy Bush, but I think it's Nancy Reagan to kill the guy.
Might be a thing. I don't know. All I pull up when I have the word Reagan in my search is his assassination attempt.
Oh yeah, they did try to assassinate Ronald Reagan. He was an actor. Did you know that? He's
Yep, I'm looking at it.
he's a cowboy.
It's Wikipedia.
Wikipedia. Well, you want to see Nancy Reagan. She was the war on drugs. That's when that started.
Yes,
and their slogan
yeah.
was just say no.
Yeah.
Like, you know, they had them.
Yeah, oh yeah. I've seen pictures in movies and stuff.
Oh, let's see here. He's an hour and 17 minutes away. Tyler is on his way to collect his winnings.
Yeah?
From the lit giveaway.
Here we go.
Yeah, so we'll have that on the channel tonight. We'll get to check out his truck. He's an hour and 17 minutes away. Man, this kid drove forever for this. I suppose I could have mailed it to him, but it's real cool that he's coming. You know, we'll get pictures and stuff, and I'll get some video. So that'd be real cool. And we'll check out his truck while he's here. But I have some other messages here, too. Yes.
We won't mention those.
Yes, I got the message. I was driving. Oh shit. Let's see, does this work? I was driving. What the hell? I was driving. Did it pick it out?
No.
Oh, for Jesus sakes. Now I'm going to have to type this.
You can always hit that one, right?
I don't know. What one?
Go back.
Oh, yeah.
Delete all that.
Sorry, I was driving. Voila! Ta-da! That works. Man, I should have just done that.
Mm-hmm. The fuck, man?
Let's see.
And I don't ever even do that. I just know what it does.
I know, right? Man, damn. Well, caught up on the messages here.
Oh, of course that works with things other than the thumbs up.
Shit say, Chris. So, yeah, damn. This video's so getting flagged, probably.
Probably.
Especially the AC/DC.
Oh.
But like when that was over, it felt like I had earplugs in. This shit was so loud.
Really loud.
I had it like what, 45
so
or more?
Up there.
Almost to 50.
Up there.
Dude, you know they heard
It's
that
intense.
forever away.
Forever away, dude. Forever. They're like, what the fuck is that?
Chris.
Turn it off.
I know,
Jesus,
right?
Yes,
I
right.
know.
Yes.
But I'm getting better at catching it though.
Yeah, you're
But it's
good.
okay.
You're good. I'm not.
Well, I've
Because I
had
don't-
practice, and that's pretty much.
It's kind
like,
of a problem though. I should practice that because it's. I think it's important to not do that.
Well-
if you're in a situation where you shouldn't.
my whole last season was practice in front of that camera, and I don't really talk like that, you know. I talk, you know.
Yeah,
Like,
you do. Yep.
you
Sure.
understand?
Yeah.
So it's hard to talk, to change the way you talk and make it come out fluent and smooth. There's so much editing in that, but it's getting easier and getting better because on the live videos, I don't really have a choice. Like I have to like mind my P's and Q's and things, and I also have to check the area too, you know, because sometimes there's things that I don't like in videos that, you know, are in the background, and you can see that I don't think are positive influence for the viewers or for children, really. You know, adults can make their own decisions, but you know, I don't want to influence kids to make them think that's cool because they're watching us and they see that, and so I try to keep a lookout on the area too, and
Affirmative.
try to keep all that out. But you know, there's going to be slip-ups and things like that, but I want to keep it okay because kids are a great base to have as far as an audience. It's just good to see kids smile and bring joy to kids. For one, that's a good positive thing. I mean, nobody can fault you in that, just so long as you know you don't turn into like Michael Jackson or the Pope or something weird, you know. Just as long as like, you know, if you're good and positive influence, why not be? So I don't want parents to be like, oh yeah, they're on there cussing and all that stuff, and be like, yeah, I don't want you watching that show, because it's unfortunate for everybody. It's unfortunate. That's out, Chris, completely. That's unfortunate because, you know, it takes away viewers and things from the show that would help it grow and things like that, but it also presents a negative image to the kids and just a negative influence in general. So I try to stay away from all that, but you know, with different crowd, different characters, it's bound to happen sometimes, but it takes practice, so it is what it is. But I want to go in here and do this. You want to go in there with me? Oh yeah,
I gotta sit out
major
here.
rock star. See this? I got a child support check here. Look at that, right? Clank. Well, it is what it is, because it surely isn't what it's not, because then it wouldn't be. You feel me?
No.
It's like Dr. Seuss. There's a poet who wrote it, don't you know it? Oh, that's funny. It's a Jaguar key. Yeah. Indeed. Indubitably. Oh, so Tiffany White says, what are you doing? Hi, Tiffany White. How nice of you to join us this evening. Too bad you couldn't be here in person. Everybody's welcome to join us if they'd like. Well, we're going to end this, and I don't know. We might do it again on the way back. Car alarms.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it's this right here. It's pretty ridiculous. Oh, turn that shit off. I'll just leave it on. That way it doesn't matter. I should just let this go until I get back.